Are you taping from right there? Yeah, what's happening? Okay.
Hi, I'm Joe Cunningham.
And I'm Tess Eller.
And we're here at the Syracuse Technology Garden for Hack Upstate.
And we are going to be interviewing all the hackers.
Stay tuned. We just started about an hour ago. It goes for about 24 hours. Big thanks to Aaron Miller behind the camera. Stay tuned. We're going to be having a lot of fun. We're in the room with all the kids. They're all hacking. We're going to check them out. Not like that.
There seems to be a lot of snacks in here. A lot of thoughts, but a lot of snacks. What are you drinking about when you there? Is it good?
Can you guys,
it's okay.
Aaron, can you give us a thumbs up when you're ready? You mind if we shoot you real quick?
So our idea is we want to create a bar hopping app. So we're going to connect.
All right.
It's a to-do list for programmers and like kind of people who are in that field.
A website or application for pretty much virtual personal training.
A person ordering a meal that gets pushed to a server and a chef.
We're going to connect the Yelp API so you can take your current location and find popular bars around you with the Uber API. So it'll actually set up a ride for the bar you're at to the next bar you're going to.
And then when they receive that request, the chef will say, hey, I've completed my order, and then he will push that back to the person ordering the food saying your meal will be here shortly.
So what you'll be able to do is pretty much use your personal trainer to, for meal plans or exercise ideas, and you'll be able to go online.
And it goes to the server saying, come pick up the food, and then that all gets pushed back to your request at the person ordering the food saying your total is so-and-so.
Project to deal with conference calls where people don't dial in. There are programs to do it, but it really wanted to work with anybody and any phone. So it's kind of like, I should be on a call at 2 o'clock and I forget. My phone should just ring and I should just be on the call.
I'm probably going to be doing a lot of the front ends. These two gentlemen here are going to be doing the back ends, and these two ladies here are going to be doing a lot of the menu design and whatnot. They're actually journalism majors, which most people here are computer science, but we all have unique skill sets, and we're going to take advantage of them. So.
Who wants to see if you're going to win?
Yeah.
No cheating.
Are we gonna win, guys?
Concentrate.
Are we gonna win?
Everybody concentrate.
You have to believe about it.
You have to
Be a
believe.
believer.
So we're going to see if you guys are going to win.
Okay.
All right, let's see. Oh, well, my reply is no.
Don't look at that.
We shake again.
See if you're going to win.
Yeah, were you
No
the
cheating.
winner?
Just started from GitHub.com. Okay.
Signs.
Okay, I guess you
What is it? Signs point to yes. So naturally,
High five. Yes.
that determines all.
Fly
Reply
Hazy.
Try again.
Oh man.
Should I go for it
Try
again?
to-
Yeah, keep going.
Third time's a charm.
Don't give up.
Shake again.
Better not tell you now.
Okay. Good.
That means
Better than the
yes.
last-
I think it meant yes.
Yeah, don't listen to this. These are just superstitious things.
I tried to launch my own startups before, and it's all because of like this excitement that people put around all this tech, and
Yeah, for sure.
it's really nice to have like all these things. For example, these hackathons and the startup weekends and all that stuff. I like that drive.
I've been to one before, but this is the first time I participated in.
Okay, cool.
It's my first time.
First one, Peter.
I'm Peter. This is my first hackathon.
I'm currently working at the moment, and I really don't look at the clock or look forward to 5 o'clock.
I'm here to work with developers to contribute to a winning project and to get involved in the local tech community.
It's just every day's like a new experience, new challenge. It's just so exciting to like wake up and want to go to work.
I'm just acting.
You're always acting.
The word hacking comes from the idea of developing software using non-computer science techniques. To hack just means to do something, the way it wasn't intended to do. One of the big things has been, educating the programmers at the Hackathon, but using the hackathons to educate the local community. Doug Crescenzi, a friend of mine, and I started working on the idea of, identifying talent in upstate New York and building a community. So we were like, let's just do a hackathon. So a hackathon is a 24, 36, 48-hour event where programmers, coders, designers come, they pitch ideas or they come with ideas in hand, and they literally spend that amount of time trying to develop that type of software.
There's very little rules, there's very little structure. You have like the beginning and the end and everything in between. You can do what you want. So you need to get some food, you need to get some swag, and that's about it.
Modern art. It's pretty great stuff.
Art and hackathons are a great way to just test ideas. And some of those ideas can actually translate into the market, but I think the biggest thing is problem solving and just having different people look at a singular problem and try to figure out ways to solve it. I think that's a lesson that anyone can take with them, regardless of what industry or whatever they're in. And technology is very much a part of our lives in one way, shape, or form, so at least getting a sense of how it affects you and how you can possibly affect it is important.
People come here to get away from like the structure of like normal events, and it's pretty awesome.
How do you feel about the atmosphere of said hackathon?
Oh, I love it. Everybody's working hard. They've got some great ideas. There are some wonderful projects here. You know, there are some people who've never been to a hackathon. There are some old pros. I'm loving it. Hackathons are just fun.
Always been into tech, and I've always been very passionate about upstate New York. There's just so much tech talent scattered throughout upstate New York, whether it be folks in Buffalo or Albany or Rochester or Syracuse. To me, I see this more as like a medium for collaboration, an opportunity for people to learn via applied means. And so it's less about competing for top prizes to put something on your resume. It's just more so about learning for yourself.
Hackathons and startup weekends have created hundreds of companies, and millions of dollars have been raised by these types of companies. That's not always the intent. To me, personally, it's just a great educational opportunity.
Good morning, Tess. How'd you sleep last night?
I didn't sleep last night.
Went to sleep around 2 and got up at 7.
It's gonna be close so we can get it working just in time for presentations in 2 hours. Just on the final stretch.
It was long, but you know, built some cool stuff and excited to see what other people have built and judge them. Should be good.
It's gonna be good, man. It's good stuff. Grab a seat up there.
5 minutes left, guys. What are you thinking?
Well, we're just working on getting the presentation working on the display.
Gotcha.
It's crunch time.
Crunch time.
We have everything working except the view for when we actually hit the Uber API, so you can't actually book the car ride, but it's all working on the back end. It's just some JavaScript stuff. But I don't know. It's pretty fun.
3 minutes left, guys. What are you guys thinking right now?
We're done enough.
Quick question. Raise your hand if you think everybody in this room could agree on a pizza order in the time it takes me to give this demo. All right, well, I'm going to prove all of you wrong.
To-do.text is an open format that's used out there in the world for more technical people who want to do their own to-do list, put in a text file so they can then do whatever they want with.
My problems were that I'm a terrible programmer, so.
Either I missed a reminder on my computer, or I wasn't actually standing by my computer, or I couldn't dial in because I was driving a car, and in New York you're really not supposed to do that. That's fine.
I was at Dave & Buster's once, and I had to wait 15 minutes for my check while all my friends were at the arcade having fun, and that sucked. So I figured there's got to be a better way for high volumes like Dave & Buster's in its opening week, and there's got to be a better way for waiters and chefs and all that to communicate.
And the E. System.pause. Then you see he's translated, he's over at pause now, so it's live and you can interact with it.
So something we will, without question, be using next fall. Slices, first place.
Everybody leaving here, I think, is leaving with some really great, inspiring thoughts.
I'm gonna do it so we get the phone in the background.
Okay, just say when.
That makes sense.
Around this table, in its rarest form, we have something called a battery and scotch tape. Together, you can make a battery scotch tape to the table.
Oh shit.
We have some things.
That was not good.
I'm gonna burp right now.
Okay. Oh, you don't
Cheers.
burp. I shouldn't be this. Yeah.
I need an electrical blah blah blah, please. I always wanted to stream it not only into your brain, but everybody else around you. So when you're dancing and singing, they'll get it.
No.
Ooh, maybe that's it. You got a 4-week plan. That's it.
Go ahead. No, wait, you have to come out. Out and, like, snap it.
Yeah, is that tick 27.
Go!
Dirty French woman.
Like, come out.
No, wait. I am sunglasses man. No, that's not funny.
Pizza preference.
I tend to be a pretty meat-heavy pizza person, so roni, sausage, ham, bacon especially.
Kielbasa. Yes.
Kielbasa pizza.
I'm always drink beer. And I do like Sackies.